What's happening, everybody? This is Dji Mini 2 drone, one of the best ones in the market currently. The unboxing process is extremely good. I would say this has the exact same level of quality as Apple has for smartphones. A lot of drones these days have requirement of having a pilot license before you can start using it, but this one is different. It has two different packages. One is just for the drone itself, and then the other one is called Fly More package. That involves having some extra accessories with it. For instance, it could be extra batteries, propellers, and the bag itself. You might want to double check your government rules, but according to my area, as long as the drone is less than 250 grams, you're not required to have a drone license for it, but logical responsibilities do come with it. Let's have a look at what's inside. The bag is very durable. Everything else is basically hidden away inside the bag. It does save a lot of material cost as well. Now, we have the controller. Then we have all the accessories inside this box. I don't know where the sticker came off of. Then we have all the manuals inside this package and the drone, which is fully covered with a pouch. Impressive. All right, let's put it aside. And now we're gonna have a look at all of the inside packaging. All the manuals, basically just a traditional way as everybody else does. And these are the extra wires that you would need based off of what type of phone model you have, just so you can connect it to the controller. So if you have an iPhone, it's already connected in the controller, but for Androids and different types of phones, it's there. That's the charger, and this is the extra battery pack. It could be used as a backup battery charger as well for your phone. To connect your phone directly to the laptop, this is the wire that you need. Let's have a look at the controller. It's very well designed and improved over the years. The controller joysticks are hidden away on this compartment right here, and the mount can be just pulled out on the top here. This is where you would mount your phone to have a look at what drone is able to see. To connect your phone to the remote, this is the wire that you would need. Moving on to the drone. Let's undo the pouch just so we can access all the propellers. Carefully removing all the tapes that are holding all these propellers and camera itself. Next is unfolding the arms. So they come out for the front ones and they flip for the back two arms, just like that. Don't break them. Be very careful. For comparison, this is how big it is. You can simply sit on the palm, and it is actually smaller than my hand. Moving on to the camera, it also has a sticker on top of it just to holding it in place. Removing that would enable the camera to move freely. We can see the 4K option embedded onto the camera, which means the video and picture quality is amazing as well. You'll see at the end of the video. We have the power button at the bottom here, also the transfer data button, and here is the slot for the card on the back. And this is how you place it and simply turn it on and you're good to go. Despite DJI warning not to use it indoors, I ended up doing it. And this is how it went. So don't do that, please. Dang it. Yeah, but after that crash, it was still fine. Then I went outside and took this amazing footage. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.